How to download Atomic Wallet on iPhone. If you want to download Atomic Wallet application on iPhone, it's actually quite very simple to do so. First of all, on your iPhone, you want to make sure that you're connected to a reliable internet connection. So make sure you're either connected to your Wi-Fi or cellular or whatever else you have. Once you've made sure of that, what you want to do is simply launch your App Store on iPhone. Once you launch your App Store, again, this is the option you will see. So here, just tap the search bar from the bottom right. Now, in order to download it, just search for the Atomic Wallet application on your App Store and you'll find the application, which is the official app that looks like this. If you have never installed it before, you will find the get icon. If you have installed it and uninstalled it, you'll find the download icon. Just depending on what you want, tap on the get button. If it asks you to verify your Face ID like this, go ahead and then make sure to verify your Face ID as well. And once you have done that, the application will begin downloading on your iPhone. That's all it takes for us to download the Atomic Wallet app on iPhone. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.